Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Altcoin Buzz Trading. Are you not entertained? This is a crazy good market. What just happened to my screen? I shouldn't lean back too much. My head's too bald, I guess. All right. So interesting market here, guys. BTC came all the way down through our trend line, then bounced back up out of it. And oh yeah, by the way, we're going to talk about Pancakeswap, Solana, and Caspa too. But yeah, so here we go. BTC came all the way back down, bounced up off. Came through the trend line, bounced off of, sure what this one is right now. Oh, this is my adjustment trend line. So forget that one. But this one right here, this more low sloping trend line, bouncing through that, coming back through that. We are testing right now this kind of trend line. You can see we are stalling a little bit right there, but if that's the bottom we get, that's fine. Altcoins are looking a lot better right now than they did even yesterday, but our leaders are holding up extraordinarily well. I'm really not mad at what Bitcoin's doing, to be honest with you, but it is taking its time. It was able to sell off a good amount. I mean, our volume wasn't extraordinarily dramatic, but it was enough to kind of allow us to go down as far as we did. And it is what it is. We don't have any control of how far down things go. If you got shaken out, all you have to do is find a way back in. You could get in on a break of this declining trend line that I just drew. We had the 35,935. You could try to get through there, but we're already through there. So, but this could be a stop point for you. So this is the good thing, is now you know where the market's likely going to stop. The circumstance where it won't stop here is if it rolls over from this trend line and then just keeps going. So ideally that doesn't happen. The altcoins are looking amazing. So I don't want to start running away from positions at this moment in time. If you got stopped out, that's one thing, but you don't want to start running away because you're scared. Even bull markets such as this can scare you. Believe it or not, it's scary on the way up. It's scary on the way down, and which is why emotions are the hardest part to trading. In other words, our own psychology. Okay, it's perfectly normal, even as we're bullish, for you to have almost the same feelings as when we're bearish. So just keep that in mind and listen to the charts. That's all you have to do, guys, is listen to the charts. Don't listen to anything else, even yourself. All right, so BTC, I think it's doing okay. I like how it came up off the bottom here. Small consolidation, nice curl up, and hopefully we can move through this and just be stable. All right, next up is Pancakeswap, which looks like it's going for it right now. Let's look at this daily chart before we get to this intraday chart. We've talked about Pancakeswap now at length. We had a trading plan at 125 down here. I mentioned if it looks good when it's at the top of the range, don't sell it because of this, because of what we're doing. Now we're at 2.7. Our first alert was 1.25. That is a tremendous move. It's over 100% gain, is getting more. Look at our volume, already above average, already above yesterday's volume. And now if we pull into this 2 hour, we can see the granularity of all that volume. Does this look intimidating? No, it doesn't. It's just good quality, consistent volume. That is exactly what you want to see during a move up. I think this thing is just going. Gone. Potentially $5 Pancakeswap. That is a measured move from the 1.25 up into here. Right there, you see that? So that's a potential $5 Pancakeswap for you. And I do not think it's unreasonable. That would double us from our alert at 2421, but it does not double us from where we are right now. So the more we go up, the more that percentage goes down. But I think this move is just gone. It's the biggest volume this thing has ever had, and it's working right now for us. So there you go. All right, next up is Solana, our de facto market leader, although Pancakeswap is giving it a run for its money right now. But you see the consistency in Solana, and it's a nice move up here. I don't think you can really ignore what it just did 2 hours ago. I guess an hour ago. But stalling here at my new alert at 64. Not a huge issue. If we form a nice little handle here, try to get in towards the lower part of the handle, a cup and handle. For those of you that don't know, kind of, just draw it right here. Kind of, shoot. That's what happens when I get one cut. Sometimes I make mistakes. It's where it comes down, forms a cup, and then comes in and forms a handle. You can try to buy down here. The question is how to know when you're down there. That's the question. We've already seen actually quite a few examples of buying in declining trend lines, declining situations, and that's what this is, a declining situation. So what you're going to notice about trading is a lot of it is rinsing and repeating the same behaviors in different orders and sequences. So yeah, no issues there. Okay, so 64 for Solana, looking good. And Caspa, I forgot this in my other one today. I don't know how I miss it. I know it's towards the bottom of the list. I usually look for it. But our alert of the 091962, and I should have had this. I should have had that one decline. Beautiful bottoming candle right there. And then off to the races we go, 21% day. The market's still real, ladies and gentlemen, but it's best to stay with the best acting and the best looking tokens with the most volume. That is what is best. You can play with the other stuff if you want to, but it's going to be harder to hold on to it. So that's all I got, guys. Have a great day. Stay very safe out there, and I'll see you tomorrow on Altcoin Buzz Trading.